Hello guys, today I'm going to show you where to get the best Boot Barn coupons or promo codes. So first, go to retailminot.com and then search for Boot Barn. So they provide some codes here. There are a lot of offers right now. There are 10 coupon codes and there are 22 total offers. So just click the show code button highlighted purple next to the description of the coupon. So just click on it, and then here just click no thanks, show me the coupon code, and then there just copy it and paste it on Bootbarn. And then next is from Noji, Knoji, and then just search for Bootbarn, same process, and then click the get this code or open all codes, or using Amazon, just click on view deals. There's a lot of options here and you should try them all. Last one is from simplycodes.com. This one is very intuitive. Click on view code next to the promo. For example here, BB card 2509. Copy it and then paste it on Bootbarn. Make sure to try them all.